Welcome back to RotoCityTech. I'm Hank, and today we are going to unbox and take our first impressions of a strong back chair. Quick story. A few years ago when we were camping in New Mexico, like we always do, my oldest brother, who is a chiropractor, he brought one or two of these strong back chairs. And I'd never heard of them, but I tried them out there and I fell in love. So I used to be a truck driver in the oil field, bouncing around on those oil field roads, and it just did a number on my back. And for the longest time, I just had pain that was just constant every day, all day, because I did that for 10 years. And when I sat in this chair, it was really one of the only chairs that we had ever camping that was actually comfortable. And so I was like, man, I'm going to have to get one of these, but I just never pulled the trigger. Luckily, I'm out of the truck now, and my back's doing much better. But I reached out, now that we have this YouTube channel, I reached out to Strongback, and I just told them that little story, and I said, if we could do an unboxing and a filming of the first impressions, and I'll probably also do a follow-up video talking about how they're holding up and how I'm feeling, would they mind sending us out a chair on the channel? And to my surprise, they said, yes, of course, we love that. Also, I have some great news for anyone watching this video. If you go to Strongback's website, strongbackchair.com, you can put in RotoCity10 at checkout and get 10% off your purchase. Big thank you and shout out to Strongback and also Mindy, who was helping me. Thank y'all so much. This is awesome. Now for the unboxing. So first impressions, we got the Strongback logo right there in the middle. This is their Elite model, so the Strongback Elite chair in black and gray. We have cup holder, got a cup holder here. On one side, we do have the padded armrests, but they're solid. I know I purchased for my wife the Guru, Strongback Guru chair, which is the model below this. This one, I believe, retails at $149, $150, and the Guru, I think, is $130-ish, $134, somewhere around there. The differences I see are the Guru is a little bit narrower and closer to the ground by a couple inches, and it has soft, typical camping chair style armrests, not these hard ones. But they both have the same lumbar support, which is what is unique to Strongback. I don't know exactly how it works, but I'm going to try to get a decent angle where you can see. Right here where I'm pointing, that is that lumbar support. You can see how the chair goes straight up and then curves. So that is what is going to give you that support right here in the lower back, where typical camping chairs leave you like slumped over. We do have good round footrest to help from sinking. But overall, I'm pretty impressed so far. I'm going to sit in it here in just a minute, just kind of looking at the quality of everything. And this color is really cool. I like this. I think the other chair that we bought is like a lime green, which works really well for my wife. But my first impressions, I do love the solid armrests. I need to get our other Strongback chair out here and show you all the difference, but it's hard to even explain. Well, I guess it's easy to explain lumbar support, but just the way that you sit in this, it just keeps your back, the posture, so much better than typical camping chairs. If you think about those camping chairs, when you sit down in them, you just kind of go like, your back kind of curves this way. It's just not good for you. So somebody that has back issues, this is a game changer, and it sits me in like a reclined posture. And the other thing with camping chairs a lot of the times is right here on the legs, they kind of push up against the back of your thighs. And this just, like, everything just feels relaxed. So we've got our cup holder here. That's it. They're expensive, but if you have back issues, or you want to prevent back issues, or you sit in camping chairs a lot, this is going to be sweet. So let me look here on the bag. You can read. So it comes with a nice big bag. It says strong back right here. And then we got the little tag here. Let's see. Ergonomic design, standard chair, poor posture and back pain. So it's talking about that. When you're sitting in a normal chair, how your back is kind of looking like this. And then when you sit in the strong back chair, it is more like this. So it provides the correct posture and comfort. And then it just kind of shows a little diagram of the chair. So we got frame integrated lumbar support, provides much greater comfort compared to standard sling style folding chairs, convenient carrying bag with backpack style shoulder straps. It's portable and easy to fold, large and spacious, got a beverage holder, and the capacity is 300 pounds. And then 18 inches is from here to the ground. So I believe the Guru, they designed that to be cheaper, but also designed it for people that might be a little bit shorter. I think they advise that 5'8" or shorter than 5'8", maybe get the Guru, because I think it's like 16 or 16 and a half inches from here down. So I want to try to get a close-up of my back when I sit in this chair, and you can see right here how it keeps your back with the correct lumbar support.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on